Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today we're going to do these little mini embellishments. They are Polaroid embellishment. I'm using the paper collection by Crate Paper, the All Heart, and I'm also using this foam adhesive glittered foam. I said that a little bit odd. This glittered foam with adhesive in the back. There we are. So we're making these Polaroid embellishments, and they're very small. And also I'm going to use the BB Craft die, and that is the square die, as well as some All Heart stickers. The All Heart stickers are perfect for this embellishment. They're so miniature and excellent for this, just perfect. And so yeah, I'm just measuring here, and I'm not sure what the measurements are because this is a voiceover, but I will link it in the bottom screen so you guys can see that. And I believe they're I'm not even going to guess. I shouldn't even guess. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some of these, and I will be right back. So I'm done cutting all of the little miniature frames, and there are 5 of them. And these little squares right here, I'm going to keep them. I could use that for something else, and I think they're so cute. And I could even die cut a heart in the middle and just use the frame, use the heart, and yeah, I could use it for anything. So there is the blush recollections paper that I was talking about in the beginning. And so it is blush, and I run it through this trimmer, and I will link the measurements below as well. And so I'm just going to remove the back of the paper on that foam glitter, and I'm going to attach it to that blush cardstock. And that cardstock is from Michaels again. And so be very gentle with your foam, because the foam, if you pull it, it will stretch. And so you just want to be extra gentle, lay it down as gently as possible without stretching it. And that way you can get a really clean and straight finish. Even with with being gentle with it, some of them did come out slightly angled. And so you just want to be extra careful. So these images are from the paper pad, and that's the All Heart paper pad. And 2 of these sheets come in the pad. And all I did was cut them out and add them as, the focal point of the Polaroid. And so I do add some foam adhesive in the back of these, and I adhered it to the Polaroid embellishment. And there you are, very simple and easy embellishments. I had so much fun creating these, and I've gifted them as well. And I enjoyed how they make my projects look, and also how they've made my creations look. So I even added one of these to a memory deck. So I do add a little glue to the stickers, because the stickers do not want to adhere to the glitter for some reason. And so I do add some hot glue. Be careful with that, because the hot glue will melt the sticker, and yeah, it'll be the end of your sticker. And so I made these are all ready to go, and I made pink and also teal, and I picked this glittered foam up for Michaels. It is perfect. I just love it so much. You could do so much things with this glittered foam, and I love that it has adhesive in the back. And so I wanted to also create a Polaroid embellishment using a non-collection. And so I'm using this hot buy from Michael's that I picked up last year, and I kind of wanted to finish this paper pad. I'm trying my hardest to finish it. I'm making cards, I'm making embellishments, I'm making some Happy Mail for Valentine's Day with this. And so as you can see, I'm using the traditional colors with that paper pad instead of, you know, the pastels with the all heart, has pastels and hot pinks and so forth. And so I wanted to include the traditional colors for those who enjoy traditional colors. So we have both. We have the pastels, the non-traditional, and also the traditional. And so, yeah, so you have to create your own centerpiece per se. And so I'm so lucky I found this tic-tac-toe in the paper pad because it was perfect for the Polaroid. And so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm gonna let you guys watch, and then I will be back as soon as more explaining is needed. Okay, so I do cut some more of that blush cardstock for the traditional Polaroids, and so I will link those measurements on the screen as well. And what else do I do? Okay, so yeah, I do that. So with the traditional color paper, oh, this is the Zig pen that I'm using. It's a glue pen, and I didn't know it was out of glue, so some of those came apart later after the video. But I ended up using some tacky glue for that, so it worked out. Anyways, what I was going to say is that so this paper isn't. It doesn't have adhesive in the back. You have to use glue, or you have to use some sort of double-sided glue. And so that's exactly what I did. I was trying to say that in the beginning. So the Polaroid isn't going to be raised, and it's not going to be like 3D or anything like that. So it's going to be flat. So what I did is instead of the Polaroid, the border being raised, I just added some foam adhesive to the focal point of this Polaroid, and that is the tic-tac-toe image there. And so that's the only thing that's going to be raised, versus the glittered foam. You know, the glittered foam is puffy, and so it looks like it's raised, and it looks like it's the same height as the image. And so yeah, so I do use some stickers from the Dollar Tree that I picked up last year. I'm also trying to use that up as well. If you've seen my video of my 7 simple cards, I told myself I was going to use up this paper pad and trying to use up everything that I have that I bought last year, because otherwise it's going to stay another year, and I didn't want that. So I'm forcing myself to use everything. And so good thing I only bought one paper pad last year, because I had no idea what the heck I was doing, as I am a new crafter. And so yeah, now I know exactly what I like and exactly what I need. And so I'm very cautious about what I buy now. So I'm using this Recollections punch, and I do cut those little word signs out. They're circular word signs, and I do add some pop dots to them just to give it a raised look. And then I do add the glitter red heart around it. And I decided that, hey, it needed something else to make it pop. And so I found these hearts with a center heart in the middle, so there's an opening there, and it could go around that circular sentiment that says, I believe it says love. So that is it with that. I'm going to go ahead and make the rest of them, and here they are all finished up, and I appreciate you guys watching. I will see you guys in the next video.
And don't forget, you guys, to